is April Story reporting for Quiltmas TV. We are already on day 7, where April Story of April Story's Craft Room, that would be me, premieres tonight. Previously on day 4, Cyndi of the Fabric Patch shared a lovely pattern with itsy bitsy, teeny tiny, itty bitty, very, very small pieces of fabric, but she used an interesting sewing notion in order to put those tiny pieces together. Thank you, Cyndi, for sharing that. I hope that the squares can hold bigger pieces as well. On day 5, Martha shared her absolutely adorable quilt. What a wonderful idea she had, and I loved the stars theme of her project, as well as her video. Martha, you are adorable. Quilts by Carmel was the 6th day of the 12 days of Quiltmas. Carmel is what we in the industry call an overachiever. She made a quilt, a pillow, a table runner, and a table topper. Carmel, you rock, girl. Whoever wins your project is one lucky person. Back to our previously reported rumors, I have not heard anything from my reporters who has been researching whether or not the colorblind quilter is really colorblind. There is a late-breaking rumor that JoCarmel and Martha are trying to stay off the naughty list with Santa. I will have an update for that later. This is April Story reporting for Quiltmas TV. This is April Story reporting while the plane is going overhead. My timing is awful. Evidently, there are lots of planes in Florida. The 6th day of the 6 days. Let's see. Blah, 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 blah. The color by blah blah blah